Hi guys, Tiff here. We're in the Madison Avenue stockroom. Let's see what we got in the box. First of all, who knew it would pop out? Oh my gosh, I love it. Hold on a second. There's a card here with my name. Oh, guys, look. Somebody remembered it was my birthday. And there's a cupcake on it. And look, everybody signed the card. How fantastic is that? All right, let's see what else is inside. We have one box. Oh my gosh, I'm going to move the balloons out of the way so that you can see me. Look at this. It's an amazing gold necklace. This is one of my favorite, guys. And you know what? You can totally layer this with your other pieces of jewelry or wear it by itself. And what I love about it too is that it's totally adjustable, as most of our jewelry pieces are. So you have this great length that you can adjust the necklace for. Let's see what else is in here. I see another box. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh, what is in here? Oh, guys, we're going to have a celebration. We got Linzer tarts in here. Oh my gosh. And oh my gosh, my favorite M&Ms. Happy birthday to me. All right, I got to go gobble them up. I'll see you later.